Okay, today we're going to talk about time signatures. So, I've got two staves here, so I'm going to do a couple time signatures for examples. First one we're going to start off with, we don't need a treble clef because we're just doing rhythms for now, we're not doing notes. So I'm going to start with 4/4. So in a time signature, the top number tells us how many beats per measure we get, and the bottom number tells us what gets the beat. In this case, I'm always going to have a 4 in the bottom, and that means that the quarter note gets the beat, just like normal, a quarter note gets one beat. So in this case, we've got 4 beats in each measure, so I'm going to draw some measures. Kind of straight. Alright, so I'm going to fill in 3 measures with some different rhythms, different examples of what you can use to make up 4 beats in each measure. So the obvious one would be to use a whole note, because that's 4 beats long. So in my first measure, I'm just going to use a whole note. In my second measure, I can use something different. So I'm going to use 2 half notes. And that takes up the whole measure. That takes up 4 beats, because each of those are 2 beats long. And in this last measure, I'm going to go ahead and mix it up and do 2 quarter notes and a half note. So I've got 2 beats here, one in each quarter note, and then 2 beats in the half note, so 4 beats total. Okay, now I'm going to mix it up and come over to my second staff. And I'm going to do 3/4 this time. So when we're at 3/4, how many beats per measure do we have?
3.
3, good. So I'm going to do a couple measures in 3/4. Alright, so I need 3 beats here. So I can mix this up a little bit too. I can do a half note followed by a quarter note. So I've got 2 beats here plus 1 beat there. I can do 3 quarter notes. So that's 3 beats there too. So as long as I've got 3 beats in each measure, I'm following the time signature of 3/4. Alright, I want to do one more. We'll just do one measure of 2/4. So 2 beats per measure, so I just need 2 beats. And this is going to be my last measure. Alright, so what should I do for 2 beats?
2 quarter notes.
2 quarter notes. We can do it. Alright, there you go. 2 beats, 2/4. Alright, there's our time signatures.